everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys another package I got from a company. Now, I already did a video from this company already. It was called the Baby Box Company, and what you had to do is just watch some videos, but you could skip right through it, and then you just answer a couple questions, and then they send you this thing that you can get. Now, there's three different options. There's the baby box, which is an actual box that has some stuff in there that you guys can pay if you want something like that. Or they had just a freebie with free shipping that you guys can get. And I thought you were supposed to get a bib, but I ended up getting some like plastic, or I ended up getting like this little bag, and then I got this like blanket receipt, something, I don't know what it was, but I'm like, you know what, I will take it. So then what happened is, after I just posted that video, because I did make it like a little bit prior to that, I got another email saying that there is another freebie for me. And I'm like, what the heck? So again, it's from the Baby Box Company. So I got the same bag already. I already have this bag. But they just want you to learn about the safety of tires. I know. But I ended up doing the survey thing, and they sent this to me for free. It was absolutely free. And there's a little bit more stuff in here. So definitely follow those guys if you guys want to. So I'm just going to dig in and see what we got. So the first thing I see is the Michelin Man. Oh my god, they send you like a stuffed animal of the Michelin Man. Now this is for like tires and everything. It does say Michelin on here. I don't know, he's kind of scary looking, but you know what? For a stuffed animal that looks like a giant marshmallow, I'll take it. So, yeah, he's kind of squishy. He's not like super soft, but he is squishy. So we got that, and then there's a couple other things in here. Oh, that's cool. A pocket keyring digital tire pressure gauge. So they send you a little Michelin Man. I don't know how this has to do anything with babies. I think they just want to make sure your tires are good and everything, but my husband will love this. But yeah, it's kind of cool. So we got a little keychain. Here we got because every stop counts. How much thread is left. So what they do is they give you like a little coin to put in your tread of your, did I say tread? Tread, not thread. They want you to put this in this tread of your tires to see how, you know, good your tires are. So that's kind of cool, like a little coin instead of like using a penny or something. That's kind of cool. My husband's gonna like this box. Now there's more stuff inside. Here they gave me a coupon for $1.50 on the Everlast cup. So we got that. It does expire not till 2020. So we got that. And then here they give you like a little thing. I don't know if this was supposed to be sealed shut or not, but it says because every stop counts. It's got like a little baby with the guy on it. So let's just see what is inside. These are probably just information. But here we have $100, get a $100 MasterCard when you buy some tires, I think. I don't know. 20% off. Graco car seats, probably on their website. These are just brochures that give you information. It's telling you about car seats because every stop counts. More brochures. Yeah, so these are just pretty much about car seats and getting your tires fixed. So that was a little freebie. I think it's kind of cool. I mean, I pretty much will try anything to get something for free, and I like to share with you guys on that. But yeah, you just go to the Baby Box first, sign up for the one video that I did, and then after a while they might send you this, or there might have more information on there. But other than that, that is kind of cool to get another freebie. Just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you wanted to sign up for some more stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time for another baby freebie. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.